Find features that distinguish it from other brands for DAMGOO, ZK-1001U, mono amplifier board with TWS. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. 100 watt powerful mono amplifier. Features TPA31160-2 chip, delivers 100 watt output to passive speakers, 20 to 100 watt, 3 to 8 ohms. DC 7 to 24 volt/4 amp input, ideal for 7.4, 12, 21 volt batteries, not for 24 volt. Ultra low distortion, less 0.3%, for crystal clear sound. Built-in boost circuit for outdoor use. Auto boosting technology intelligently converts 9 volt/15 volt input to stable 19 volt/24 volt, default 24 volts, switch adjustable. Perfect for battery-powered outdoor speakers to enhance power efficiency. TWS pairing for stereo sound. Supports TWS or True Wireless Stereo function. Pair two mono amps to create a powerful left/right channel stereo system instantly. Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-input options. Upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 with AAC decoding, 15 meter or 49 feet range. 4 input modes: Bluetooth, AUX, USB drive, USB sound card, compatible with smartphones, PCs, tablets. Hi-Fi sound and smart knob control. Professional Class D amp chip with adjustable bass/treble. Multi-function knob, rotate for volume, click to play/pause, double click to skip, triple click for TWS mode, long press to power on/off. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.